Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In C programming tutorial, in this session, we are going to learn type conversion or typecasting. I am Kranti, lecturer in computer science. Let's start the topic now. Type conversion or typecasting. Type conversion or typecasting refers to changing a variable from one data type to another data type. See here, type conversion and typecasting. So these two are the process of changing a variable from one data type to another data type. Type conversion is done when the expression has variables of different data types. So if you write an expression in your program, if that expression has multiple variables of multiple data types, means different data types, then type conversion will be done. There are two types of type conversions. They are number one, implicit type conversion or type conversion. Number two, explicit type conversion or typecasting. Let's see these two individually and in detail. First, implicit type conversion. This implicit type conversion is also called as type conversion here. Implicit type conversion is the conversion from lower data type to higher data type. So, if you convert a variable from the lower data type to higher data type, then that conversion is called as implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion is done by the compiler on its own. So there is no need for the programmer to do implicit type conversion, because implicit type conversion is automatically done by the compiler itself. So implicit type conversion is also known as automatic type conversion or type conversion. In implicit type conversion, no data loss can be done. So here lower data type means low memory capacity to higher data type means high memory capacity. So lower values are going to be stored in higher values. So there is no data loss should be done in implicit type conversion. Example for implicit type conversion is int a equals to 10 and then float b equals to a. Here a is integer type variable and b is float type variable. In b we are going to assign the value of a. Here a is having integer value, b is floating point variable, but it is going to store the value of integer. So now b stores the value 10. In the above example, a is integer variable, holds the value 10 and it is assigned to float variable b. So now variable b stores value 10. So this is about implicit type conversion. Next we will see explicit type conversion. This explicit type conversion is also called as typecasting. Explicit type conversion is the conversion from higher data type to lower data type. See here, explicit type conversion is nothing but it is the conversion from higher size data to lower size data. Explicit type conversion is done by the programmer. Carefully listen, implicit is done by compiler, explicit is done by the programmer. So here programmer is going to perform explicit type conversion. Means, so explicit type conversion is also known as forced conversion or typecasting. Why we can call this as a forced conversion? Programmer is doing this conversion. Programmer is forcing on the compiler to do this type of conversion. That's why explicit type conversion is called as forced conversion here. In explicit type conversion, some data can be lost because higher data size is going to fit in lower data size. So higher data size is not suitable for lower data size, means it doesn't fit into lower data size. So some part of the data should be lost here. Example, float a equals to 10.25. Here I am declaring a variable a that is of float data type, and this a is storing the value 10.25. Next I am creating int b equals to a. Here I am creating variable b of integer data type, and to the b I am assigning the value of a. So what is the value of a here? Here a is having the value 10.25. This 10.25 has to be stored into b. But here the problem is b is of integer data type. B variable is belong to integer data type here. So it has to store only integer part, only the number part, exact number part without point values. So now b is going to store the value 10 only. This 0.25 will not be stored in variable b. That's why here the decimal part, the point number, the decimal part, the fraction part we are losing here. So 0.25 we are losing here. In the above example, a is float variable and it holds the value 10.25 and it is assigned to the integer variable b. So variable b stores the value 10 only, because decimal part of the number is lost here. So this is about typecasting, implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. I hope you understand about the typecasting and type conversion topics. Subscribe this channel for more computer science related videos. I am providing the links of another C language topics in videos description. If you want to watch, then you can watch. Please subscribe, watch, like, share. Thank you.